frequent visitor to Hyderabad city. So whenever you land to Hyderabad, what one thing you always think I have to do?
Um, Definitely go to Taj Banjara, one thing, and second is to eat the Hyderabadi biryani. Because it's like, I'm not joking, Taj Banjara is, I think I've seen it for the last 15 years, ever since I stepped foot into what I would call showbiz. It's where I've always been staying. So it's home to me. And secondly, of course, Hyderabad food can never go wrong. That's another thing I always take back home.
And you were a brand ambassador national wide also for so many products. So what about this magazine? On the national way, are you planning to come out? From other product wise also, not the ice cream otherwise.
I don't choose a brand because of its international or national value. I choose a brand because I like the brand and what the brand does for me and how I represent the brand. So, I mean, it just so happens Magnum is an international brand. That's how it started off. And then now it's a national brand. And I mean, it was first a regional brand and now a national brand. So, I mean, I endorse a lot of local brands as well. So for me, it's just, I mean, I relate to the product, I endorse it. That's it.
So how you relate with the product? As you said, you love chocolate. So that makes you to choose this brand?
Absolutely. I love ice cream. I mean, it's like this. I would pick ice cream over a meal anytime. I'd rather have a bar of Magnum than actually eat, say, two rotis and dal for lunch. That's how I look at it. I know that's not a healthy choice, but then, so, I mean, Magnum is something I normally regularly eat with friends. I've always eaten. So, I mean, yeah, who doesn't like chocolate?
Whenever you like have ice cream, is there any expression changes or in your your mindset change? Something you relate?
Actually, there's one way I like to eat ice cream. It's actually a bit weird. I take two Magnum bars, say on a weekend. I go sit alone in my room. I switch on my favorite TV show and I eat it. So I just don't like to be disturbed. I put my phone on silent. So it's like it's between me and my ice cream. Nobody disturbs me at
You
that
don't
point.
share your ice creams with anybody?
Never. No. I mean, I'll buy you a Magnum. Just don't touch mine.
What about the Bollywood projects?
I'm not concentrating on Bollywood at all right now.
I mean, you were not like, what was the criteria like? You were getting some projects, or you were to concentrate on Telugu industry only?
No, I mean, I never wanted to actually. I mean, Bollywood was just more like I got one film there, so I just wanted to give it a shot. But then I've always been based in Chennai, and my focus is always Tamil and Telugu films.
Any future projects for Tamil and Telugu?
Yeah, I have a release in a couple of months. It's called Bulogam. It's a Tamil film, so that's the next release. And I just had a release last month.
And about the Telugu, we were talking something.
No, that's going to take a while because we just finished the first half. We're still yet to film the second half, and so probably it's going to take a while.
You don't feel like going for like other actors are exploring to other languages also because language is never a barrier for acting. It's great.
And of course, I mean, I'm doing a Kannada film now. I'm debuting in Kannada, and but it has to interest me. It's actually like you said, cinema has become too global to say I will do only this and not that. And especially as an actress, it's easy to have a bit of everything. So yeah, I'm looking forward to everything.
Working with Akshay, any one of the experience you would like to share? And the role you were playing, it was a very simple girl. So.
Yeah, it was fun. I mean, for me, I felt like I was working more in a South film because except for Akshay, it was a complete South team and everybody I had worked with before. So it was fun. And Akshay is really sweet to work with. He doesn't have any aura of being, I'm a superstar or anything. He's really, really sweet to work with.
What is your fitness mantra?
Workout, definitely, at least thrice a week, if not more than that, and eat healthy, and never say no to anything. No cutting down on dessert, nothing. I eat everything, just limit it. That's all.
Role which you want to do it? Any dream role?
Quite happy with the work I'm doing. I mean, I don't know. I'd like to work with a few of the directors I haven't worked with, and maybe the actors I haven't worked with.
Particular role I'm talking.
I can't think of anything. No. Thank you.